Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw your crypto on OKX mobile exchange app. By the way, if you haven't signed up on the OKX app, check the video description for the sign up link to register. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your OKX account. Here's how the new user interface of OKX app looks like. On the upper middle part, make sure you're under Exchange. Below, you will see menu tabs such as OKX Home, Discover, Trade, Grow, and Assets. To deposit and withdraw crypto on your account, go to the Assets tab. Tap on Funding. Here you will see your equity value, and underneath will be the deposit, withdraw, transfer, and history buttons. Below will be the list of coins and their balances. To add funds from other crypto wallets, tap on Deposit. Then a pop-up will appear with two options: on-chain to transfer crypto from a wallet or exchange, or fiat to buy crypto using your preferred payment method. For this video, we will use on-chain deposits. Here you can scroll down to look for the token, or type on the search bar to look for it. Let me look for USDT. Select the network you want to use. I'll pick TRC20 for a fast and cheap transfer. Here you can scan the QR code, share your deposit address, or copy your wallet address. Please note that OKX Exchange does not accept deposits from decentralized exchanges or DEX, Binance Smart Chain or BSC, and Hobby Echo Chain yet. Let me copy my deposit address. The next step is to go to your external wallet where you have the funds. In my case, I'll use my Maxi Global account. Make sure you use the same token, which is USDT. Paste your deposit address here from OKX app. Select the same network, which is TRC20, and enter the amount you want to deposit. The withdrawal fee will be $1. Once all is set, you tap on Confirm and proceed with the process. This time, let me show you how to withdraw your crypto on the OKX app into another wallet. To transfer crypto to another wallet, tap the Withdraw button. Here, you will see the list of available tokens you can withdraw. Let me pick USDT. Select Withdrawal Type, On-chain to transfer crypto via network to a wallet or exchange. Internal to transfer crypto instantly with zero fees to OKX users. Or fiat to sell crypto and withdraw as cash. For this video, we will use on-chain withdrawal. The next step is to go to your external wallet. On my end, I'll use my Maxi account again. Pick the same token, which is USDT. Select the network, I'll use TRC20. Copy your deposit address. Go back to the OKX app and paste your external address here where you want to send the crypto. Choose the same network, which is TRC20. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Select the wallet where you will be getting the fund. On my end, I'll use Funding Wallet. The withdrawal fee will be $1 for TRC20 network. Once done, tap Submit and proceed with the process. That's how you deposit and withdraw crypto on the OKX mobile app exchange. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. I'll see you in my next video.